Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ram 2500 Tradesman. This has the Cummins Turbo Diesel, 6.7 liter. That thing is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close it up and take it for a tour. Alright, you see that you have the tow hooks up front, painted alloy wheels. There's your tow package receiver. So you do have a spray-on bedliner, power sliding back window. Okay, we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. So it does have gray fabric seats, and it does have a cup holder right at the base of those seats. Carpet floor mats. All right. So as we look down here, you'll see it has 27,232 miles on this vehicle. Right there. Okay, and then you got your push to talk, your cruise control, your stereo controls, your gear limiter, and there's your push button start, 2- and 4-wheel drive. And then you got your trailering and towing. And down here you have a 115 volt outlet, which is very cool. And coming on up here, you see that it does have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. Then there's your Bluetooth to connect to your phone. Then you have your apps, and you can also go to your backup camera here instead of just putting it in reverse. And then your compass and your settings. Okay. And as you come up above, you have your sliding back window, and then you've got your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Ram on the interior. Oh, I did want to point out that this flips up to where you can seat 6, or it can flip down to where it can be a cup holder and armrest, and then there's your key fob. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an accident that resulted in some damage here on the front quarter panel, and then also had a little bit here in the rear, in the center of the rear. The airbag's not deployed, there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.